Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Ajna Protocol token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the Ajna Protocol facilitates peer-to-peer pool secured loans without governance and without external price fees. Current lending and borrowing protocols which utilize smart contracts require active governance. Example, to set rates and to update contracts, any or rely on external price feeds such as oracles like Chainlink, because the price of collateral and parameterization of loans are left to subjective decision making through governance rather than market forces. These protocols carry both solvency and liquidity risk. Governance and maintenance overhead create barriers to entry in the market for lending and borrowing of on-chain assets. Ajna solves these problems with its unique design, which is defined by the following features. Ajna Protocol Project Institute setting is 3.6. Ajna Protocol token total supply is 992.79 million and circulating supply is around 776.26 million Ajna token is listed on SNDX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.